Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SamCart, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a YouTube video into one of your SamCart pages? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a YouTube video into your SamCart page anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that customer testimonials are important for conversions, and maybe you want to add in a YouTube video of a testimonial. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SamCart. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SamCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add a YouTube video to one of your pages, here on the left side, you're going to click on Pages. Once you do that, you're going to scroll through until you find the page you want to add a YouTube video to. So for example, this one right here, YouTube checklist. Okay, once you do that, it's going to open up the page editor. So first what you want to do is here in the preview, scroll down to the section that you want to add the video to. So for example, maybe I'm going to add it above this, get your free checklist. So as we hover over this, we see that this is section number 3. So off to the left here, we see 1, 2, 3. So we're going to need to add our YouTube video right here. So what I'm going to do first off is I'm going to click on this plus icon here on the left. Okay, now we created a new section. So we have section 4 right here. And all we're going to do is click into here and then click on this plus icon. All right, once we do that, we're going to see a menu of all the different things we can add into our SamCart page. But you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on this one called video. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be able to enter your YouTube URL right here. So let me grab a YouTube URL. Okay, I just pulled up one of my YouTube videos. Also, if you're putting a YouTube video into your SamCart page, it doesn't necessarily need to be your YouTube video. It could be any YouTube video as long as it has this share button right here. So you're going to click on share. Once you do that, go ahead and copy the link. And then we're going to go back here to the editor and just paste in the link here. Once you do that, choose these settings. So do you want it to mute? Do you want it to autoplay? And then once you're done, click on done down here on the bottom right. Okay, now you see we have added a YouTube video into our SamCart page. But like I told you, we want this above the lead capture port. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover over here, and then on the left side, you can see it has this gray bar. You can grab the gray bar and just drag it to where you want. So I want it up above section 3, and we'll drop it right there. So now in the preview, we see we have our YouTube video here, and then underneath we have our lead capture form. And once you're done adding your YouTube video into your SamCart page, click on publish. Okay, and you're going to see this pop up and click on publish page. All right, now it's processing. Okay, now the page has been published with our YouTube video in it. So now anybody who lands on that particular page in my SamCart, they're going to see that YouTube video there. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a YouTube video into your SamCart page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.